video. Today I'm with my best friends. I'm so excited. We're going on a little girls trip. There's a small town outside of our city that has a really beautiful park, and they have Dole Whip too at their little ice cream place. So yeah, we're going on a little adventure. This is Megan. You've met her before. And Madi and Sarah. Yes, we were all Disney Store cast members. R.I.P. But we're still too soon. Yes, but it's okay. But we are all still wonderful friends and having lots of fun, and it's gonna be a good day. Are we excited?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going first?
Starbucks.
Yes.
Let's go.
We're here. Picnic. I'm obsessed with this setup. Megan came through. Look at all these holiday goodies, and then me, Costco. But we've got Pog. We got Pog juice, my friends. Look at the beautiful view. Oh yeah. Meg, what do you have on right now? Spotify, Disney Parks.
Yep.
We're having existential crisis right now.
What? Because of Coco. Everybody loves Coco. It's made it this far.
You want to talk about your 3 cabs though?
Everything.
We had a really fun picnic, and now we're gonna do some exploring of the town and then go get our Dole Whips. They're all walking ahead of me, it's fine. No, it's not! Sarah, why? Megan! No! No! Ready? And jump! Oh my goodness! This is cold. Okay, it's fine. It's not that deep. We're good. I'm scared. Okay, well, yay! The things I do for you people. I'm real worried just Megan's gonna slip down, and it's fine. You good? Over there. And we just don't want to go any farther. You're gonna fall in. Sarah coming back all the way over there. Oh, it's so beautiful. The things I do for you people. What did we get? Dole Whip. Okay, Madi, you got strawberry and pineapple. Oh, this is happiness. What do you think?
Very good. Very good. Happiness in a cup. Magic in a cup.
Oh. Cheers. This is the reason we came. Feeling too strange and wonderful.
everyone. So it is now the following day. It's Sunday. I kind of realized this morning that I forgot to film an outro to this vlog, so I'm very sorry. On the way home, as you saw, we played a lot of fun Disney songs and had a great sing-along, so that was super fun. But yeah, then we went over to Madi's house and we played some board games, and I kind of just forgot to keep vlogging. So like I said, very sorry. We were just having so much fun, but yeah, it was just such a great day. As I said before, I met Madi, Meagan, and Sarah through the Disney store. We were all cast members, and I mean, like we also said before, unfortunately, since our Disney store is closed, we're not able to see each other as often, but I mean, one of the greatest things, and I say this all the time, but one of the greatest things that Disney store gave me was my Disney Ohana, and I mean, those girls especially, I'm just so grateful that I have them in my life, and then I have their friendship, so it was just such a fun day, and we had a blast. I really hope you enjoyed following along on this vlog. I love getting to vlog for you guys again. It was so much fun. Leave a comment down below and tell me some fun things that you like to do with your friends. I would love to discuss with you. And as always, be sure to please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future Disney content and adventures. As always, I hope you have a magical day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!